President Joe Biden lays out his plan to protect Americans from coronavirus variants heading into the winter. That includes urging Americans to get booster shots as well as offering free COVID-19 testing. White House correspondent Owen Jensen has an update. Owen?
Tracy, good evening to you. Today, President Joe Biden spoke at the National Institutes of Health, saying his plan that he says was put together by scientists and COVID-19 experts is one he hopes Americans will rally around.
President Joe Biden unveils his administration's strategy designed to protect more people from contracting COVID-19 in the coming winter months.
This is a moment we can do what we haven't been able to do enough of through this whole pandemic. Get the nation to come together, unite the nation in a common purpose.
Among the key goals, keeping schools from closing again. Students who fell behind are still catching up on lost time.
Vaccinating our children is also critical to keeping our schools open. But while over 99% of our schools are open now, we need to make sure that we keep that throughout the winter.
For Americans who fly, take the train, or use public transportation, the mask mandate has been extended through March 18th. Break the rules and fines go as high as $3 grand.
The White House plan also requires private insurance companies to cover the cost of at-home COVID-19 tests.
Some additional strategies: stronger public health protocols for safe international travel, rapid response teams to help battle rising cases, and supplying treatment pills to help prevent hospitalizations and death.
It's a plan that I think should unite us. I know COVID-19 has been very divisive in this country. It's become a political issue, which is a sad, sad commentary.
Meanwhile, remain in Mexico. President Biden wanted to ditch the Trump-era immigration policy, but now it's going back into effect next week in San Diego and 3 Texas cities. It forces asylum seekers to wait in Mexico for hearings in U.S. immigration court. Still, the White House calls remain in Mexico deeply flawed.
It has imposed unjustifiable human costs, pulled resources and personnel away from other priority efforts, and failed to address the root causes of irregular migration.
Also tonight, very soon, some 63 million Medicare recipients will soon get a notice in the mail urging them to roll up their sleeves for a booster shot. It's part of a direct outreach campaign aimed at those most vulnerable to contracting COVID-19. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.